Hey guys, good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. It's 1:30 and I woke up right now. It's because I went off to sleep at 8:30 and I was working the entire night and I'm so proud of myself that I was working the entire night. I had a really productive day yesterday. I worked the entire day. I had so many deadlines. I had so many videos to edit. I posted a reel. Have you guys checked out my reel? If not, then go check it out. Yesterday at 12 o'clock, I had a severe headache. I slept for about 2.5 hours, and by the time I woke up, it was gone. Thank God. Yesterday, I had a productive day, okay? But I also faced lots of technical difficulties like crazy. So when I was done editing one video, I tried to export it and it would just not export. I don't know my MacBook or my iCloud. There was some issue with it, but finally, I resolved it. It took me 1 whole hour to resolve that issue. Now that was done, okay? Now after that, when I had to shoot one video, the mic, it would just not work. And I recently got that mic and I also had a couple of other spare mics, but they would also just not work except the Rode one. But the problem with the Rode one is it gets fit on top of the camera. There's a sudden echo in the voice and I really don't like how it sounds. So I've decided I need to go out today and buy a microphone, a good microphone. I know it's gonna cost me a lot, but it's okay. It's a good investment. So now I'll just get off this bed. Okay guys, so now I will go take bath, get ready, and now go ahead and watch how I prep my skin. The weather here is very humid. My skin looked dull. It made my skin oily and it looked dehydrated. So I'm gonna use an oil-free moisturizer. No matter how oily your skin is, you just cannot skip moisturizer. Use an oil-free moisturizer, but don't skip moisturizing. So I'm going to use the Aqualogica Glow Plus Oil-Free Moisturizer. It's a lightweight texture. It's non-greasy and non-oily. It controls excess oil on the skin and it hydrates and deeply nourishes the skin. It's got papaya extract, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid and is not sticky at all. If you have dull skin, uneven skin tone and dehydrated skin, you can definitely try this. It's got a water lock technology which helps lock in moisture in your skin, and that just gives a boost of hydration and it just makes your skin bright, radiant and glowing. It's vegan, it's cruelty free and it's clean, which means it does not have parabens, sulfates or mineral oil, which is great for your skin. And with each purchase made through Aqualogica's website, you help someone in need to get access to clean drinking water. If you use my coupon code, which I'll mention right here at aqualogica.in, you'll get 20% off. And it's also available on Nykaa and Amazon. Now I'm going to use the Aqualogica Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen. You should also never skip sunscreen, even if you're staying indoors. So I take a lot of sunscreen and then I apply it all over my face and my neck. My skin looks so glowy and radiant, but it does not feel oily at all. Guys, I just got ready. I was anyways late और फिर technical difficulties फिर से होने लगी थी. I don't know, there's some issue with the space that I have on my phone or my MacBook. MacBook is still showing okay, but there was such a space crunch on my phone because I never upload any video or any photo to my iCloud. So right now we're going and we'll grab some lunch and then we'll go to Metro Gully to buy my microphone. This is what I'm wearing today. Don't look over there because those are all my PR packages. Where is it? How far is it? Almost? Na bhaiya, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
The gully looks very dingy, but it's a very nice place. Tacos I don't want to have tacos. I want to have avocado toast. How are you? Yeah, one avocado toast for me. You suggest some tea?
Tea?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a separate menu for the teas.
I can go with a chamomile tea.
Sure thing.
Yeah.
So as of now, one avocado toast and one margarita.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, because yesterday you helped me with all my technical difficulties. So yeah, anything that you like.
I think aglio olio peperoncino, most probably.
The reason why I am out for lunch today is because Shonhadir kalke khub shorir kharab hoye gechilo. She fainted actually. অন্য বাড়িতে কাজ করে, and then she went back home, and obviously she did not turn up today. By the way, people who don't know who Shondadi is, Shondadi helps me keep my house clean. She cooks, and yeah, so আজকে রান্না হয়নি বাড়িতে. So we got really worried about how she was doing. So we called her today morning, and she was fine. She was actually doing fine. We asked her to take 2 more days off. Also, it's my niece and nephew's birthday, so have to call them and wish them happy birthday. Oh my god, কি সুন্দর সাজিয়েছিস. Looks so pretty. Hi Rithima, happy birthday. What are you doing? Where's Rutu? You're looking so pretty, Rithima. I love your necklace. Yeah. Hi Rutu, happy birthday. I love your outfit. Yeah, you're looking very handsome. Okay, very good. Alright, okay, enjoy. My food is here. It looks delicious, and the chamomile tea looks so good. Now we'll go to Metro Gully to buy my microphone, to buy my tripod and a couple of other things. It's becoming riskier day by day. I don't want to take that risk. ऐसा बहुत बार हो चुका है कि मैं शूट कर रही थी और आधे शूट में my microphone stopped working. I'm going to invest on my microphone. I know बहुत पैसा खर्चा होगा, but still it's a good investment. और ऐसे ना मुझे हाथ stretch करके vlog करने में भी बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. So I'll buy a tripod, like छोटू सा tripod, which I can easily hold. So वहाँ पे जाके फिर देखना है कि और क्या खरीदना है. So our Uber is showing 4 minutes away, but बहुत देर से 4 minutes away दिखा रहा है. So yeah, we have to wait उत्तम जी के लिए. I told you, Uber cancel करेगा. ये गाड़ी था? Oh my God, at last. रैशनल पहुंच गए. हमेशा इसमें भीड़ रहता है, हमेशा. माइक्रोफोन चाहिए रोड वाला.
कौन सा मॉडल?
वो जो वायरलेस होता है ना.
सिंगल डुअल.
ये कितना?
5,500.
और ये
18,500.
18,500. ओ एक तो कौन করুন দাদা. ওখানে মাইক্রোফোন নিচ্ছি দাদা 18,500.
তো আমি জানি.
একটা ট্রাইপডও নিচ্ছি. আমার ইউটিউব ক্যারিয়ার এখান থেকে স্টার্ট হয়েছে.
বেশি প্রফিট মার্জিন है ना.
ঠিক আছে, আপনি তাও কম করুন না. ট্রাই তো করো. तो कुछ भी कम नहीं होगा. Getting this vlogging tripod
वो हो गया. और
and
दूसरा
the
बोल रहे हैं,
microphone.
ये है रिसीवर, ये ट्रांसमीटर, ये बॉडी में लगा हुआ रहेगा और ये कैमरा में रिसीव करेगा साउंड.
Finally reached Babu Culture. I'm here with my friends and waiting for the food. The ambience is amazing. Ordered lots of authentic Bengali cuisine. It's a home food away from home. So waiting for the food right now. এটা হলো ডাবের পায়েস. এটার জন্যই তো এখানে আসা. ছোট যেটা সেটাই নেব, the smallest one. So I just squish it. It's good. So finally we're done eating dinner and I'm so full. I need to walk right now. Then I'll book an Uber and go back home. But the food was lovely. The food was delicious. If you guys are in Kolkata, do go and try out Babu culture. It's amazing. 80 to কমই দেখাচ্ছে করে নি. It's already been 10 minutes trying to book an Uber, but cancel হচ্ছে. So the driver is on its way and will pick us up. So guys, it's the next morning. Oh god guys, I slept so much. I slept at around 2:30, woke up at 11:30, and once again I'm late. I have to go to my parents. সন্ধ্যাদির শরীর এখনো ঠিক হয়নি খুব একটা, আজকেও আসতে বারণ করেছিলাম, which again means that we'll go out and have food. কোথায় খাবার খাবো সেটা তো obviously তোমাদের আমি দেখাবোই. So now I will have to get up and get dressed and then go out.
Your destination is on the left.
So I've reached 8-Day Bakery. I go to cafe all the time. I love visiting this place. This is what a typical weekend would look like for me because I love going out. I have to go out during the weekends. I love eating out and going to new places, going to new eateries. So I've started doing lifestyle vlogs, guys, as you must have noticed, but I am not totally shifting to lifestyle. I will still definitely prioritize makeup, but I've got so many good feedbacks from you guys that you would love to know me personally through my vlogs, and that's what I'm trying to do. So now I'm just gonna order food. I'm super hungry. It's already 3:10. I'll just quickly grab something and then I'll go to my dad's. They've got all kinds of books and all kinds of games. They actually have lots of stuffs, but I'm thinking of going for something sweet. I think I'll go for a dessert, but before that I need to have something solid. So let me see what else do they have. I always go for the rose white tea. It's awesome. I love it. I'll have to eat this and then this. I don't know if I'll be able to finish this. It's huge. So from my mom and dad's now, I'm here outside Cafe Vairagi. I'm just going to meet a friend of mine and he's gonna come here in any moment. I don't know, some weird guy just commented. He was on a bike. That's the reason why I don't like vlogging on the road, because people just stop and watch me, and it's sometimes they give awkward stares. It's just altogether is a very awkward scene. So I think I have to get used to it. Yeah, so now instead of waiting outside, I'll just go inside and wait for my friend. Standing over there. He's right across the street. Okay guys, amateur vlogging mistake. As I was editing my vlog, I realized I did not end my vlog. So here I am trying to end my vlog. So this is how I spent my Saturday and Sunday. If you want to see more vlogs on my channel, then do comment down below what kind of vlogs you're looking for, be it lifestyle or cooking challenge, eating challenge, shopping vlogs, anything that you would want to see on my channel, just let me know. Also, I'm thoroughly enjoying my vlogging experience. I am receiving so much love on my vlogs. Thank you so much for supporting. Alright guys, I am going to see you in my next video, in my next vlog. Till then, go forth and dazzle.